It's 64 out here this morning and it just feels awesome. Little breeze, air feels low humidity and clean. Hey bud. Hey Donnie. Don and I are headed to Home Depot, and I checked out the Bluebird box and I don't see anybody poking their head out today. Of course, it could be that they're hunkered down, but I don't think so. I did see Mom and Dad Bluebird moving around overhead, and the babies are probably on a branch. Mom had a bug in her mouth, and I assume she's waiting for me to leave the area to go over to the branch where the baby is. So, although I'm not sure, I am pretty sure that they fledged and are up in the trees. So we're headed into Home Depot to get the first round of supplies for the boardwalk project. Our goal is not to get everything today, but to get enough to do the part closest to the house, the platform and the steps. As you can see, Home Depot is packed.
Can't tell it from a normal.
A matter of fact, I would swear it's busier than a normal Wednesday afternoon. My goodness, it's like a Saturday over here. Yeah. We are masked and gloved up. I have the 1N95 mask we have, and Don has, you know, the little hospital surgical mask. It looks like there's just one person over here in line waiting to go in. 2 people, 2 families now. Plexiglass at the counters and lots of area dedicated to pick up orders. So mostly what we came for was wood, and you know, Don's looking through the pile to get the best possible ones he can. Don's got 13 10-footers and he's working on 4 8-footers now. Don plans to modify the longer stair hangers to get what he needs. We can't go out straight, we have to come down here, and I guess people don't realize when they leave buggies that they're in the way sometimes. Not to mention that thing is not easy to move. Obviously, we'll be driving slow, but we don't have far to go. Don said the little red flags are quite helpful in centering up the back of the GMC, pulling back into the carport here. We're going to unload the wood, I guess, under the carport?
Yeah, we're just sticking the lumber to help it dry.
Don is bringing my dad's old radio alarm saw down. I don't think you ever had reason to use it?
Yeah, I agree. No, I've not used it.
But he's thinking we're going to use it on this project.
That's right.
I'll let him concentrate now.
Yeah.
Well, no clue when the last time Dad ran it was. Honestly, probably before my mom's automobile accident, which was 1985.
Well, I tell you, the sucker's a heavy duty one. This is not a lightweight thing.
Dad was building a piece of furniture with it, and really enjoyed it when he had an opportunity to use it, but I really doubt he's used it since I was in high school.
Right.
I've made significant progress pulling the nutgrass out of my lily bed, my daylilies here, but at least one more day's worth of standing there and pulling. Mostly back there. I hollered over at Don that we're starting the next round of cardboard. It got so bad this last time he didn't have the roof open, and I was like, you know, it's a lot easier to just sling it over the top. So I ordered a Lego kit off eBay that was used. See if you can guess what it is from the bag. Not a lot of pieces. I'm going to put it together and then I'll talk about it a little bit more when I'm done. So it was one of the Mars mission models. We're going to call it a Rover, kit number 7648. And yeah, this is a little bit of an older series. I guess I should, I'll throw up on the screen what year this was from. But it goes back a ways. There were quite a few kits in this series. Yeah, alien ship, the little plane I already have in on our studio background. There was quite a few to do. I have one upstairs in the attic that I can put together when I'm ready. Yeah, the front obviously comes up and down. Then when you park, this digging module, this is for digging, kind of reminds me of the Lost in Space equipment. You know, you put these little feet down and you could potentially lift it while you're boring into the ground, that kind of thing. Can act as a brace. Obviously it's up when you're in motion. There's a saw and a walkie-talkie and a satellite dish, and it's just way cool. Well, we had really great pork ribs that I made into Instant Pot because they were ones from the farm, and they come out so tender in here. The ones from Whole Foods I can get away with baking and they're still really tender. But at any point when you do that, what do you get? You get some really awesome bone broth.